Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make birthday video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut and at the menu, you can click on the template at the bottom, this one. And in here, you can search birthday. Click on it and click birthday. And in here you can see many template, and in here you can choose the template you want. So just click on it, and in here you can click on the use template at the bottom, and in here you can select the photo or video, but in here I wanna use the photo, so just click on the photo at the top in here and choose the photo that you want to add, like this. Okay, and after this you can click on the next at the bottom. And then in here you can adjust for the name in here, so just click on the edit text at the bottom, and you can click on this here like this and click edit, maybe Coco, and then click done like this, Coco. Okay, and after this you can play. And after this you can click on export at the top. And if you wanna with a CapCut watermark, you can click export, but if you don't wanna with a CapCut watermark, you can export with a TikTok. So export and finish. So that's how to make birthday video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.